Two giants in the world of automation, but when it comes to streamlining your workflow, which one actually gets the job done? On one side, we have Workato, the powerhouse known for its enterprise-grade automation. On the other, Automate.io, the flexible platform loved by startups and growing teams. We're testing them head-to-head in key areas that truly matter: integrations, ease of use, pricing, support, and more. Forget the glossy marketing promises. We're focusing on what really makes a difference for your business. We'll award points in each round and reveal which platform stands tall at the finish. Trust me, the winner might just surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, here's our game plan. We're breaking these two down by pricing, integrations, security, ease of use, ecosystem and support, and scalability. Basically everything you care about when it comes to automation. Let's kick off with pricing. So, Workato. It's built for the big leagues. If you're leading an enterprise and need all the bells and whistles, cool, but you are definitely paying for it. On the flip side, Automate.io is taking the keep it affordables approach. It's honestly way better if you're a startup or a small business working on a tight budget. Fewer features, sure, but you won't have to sell a kidney to get started. For most people just getting rolling, Automate.io has the edge here. Moving on to integrations, and oh boy, this is big. Workato? It's like the Swiss Army knife for integrations. Hundreds of premium connectors, plus it plays nice with both cloud and on-prem stuff. Downside though, setting it up can get kind of intimidating. Automate.io, meanwhile, is super chill. You just connect it to your popular apps, done. But don't expect any crazy data workflows. Workato takes this one if you need serious power. Now for security. Workato absolutely flexes here. We're talking SOC2, HIPAA, the works. Basically, if someone in IT is breathing down your neck about compliance, you're covered. Automate.io? Basic SSL encryption. It's safe, but not enough for industries where security is, well, non-negotiable. So yeah, Workato is the clear winner when your data's on the line. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Workato was actually named a leader in Gartner's 2024 Magic Quadrant for IPAS? So yeah, they're not just flexing for no reason. Let's talk ease of use. Here, Automate.io comes out swinging. It just gets you. Intuitive workflow builder, super quick to set up. Honestly, you don't even need a manual. Workato does have a drag and drop UI, but if you want to get fancy with it, there's kind of a steep learning curve. So if you hate reading docs or watching tutorials, Automate.io is probably more your vibe. Ecosystem and support is kinda interesting. Workato's got this really active community, tons of docs, but if you want top-tier support, you gotta be a paid user. Automate.io, though, even with a smaller user base, is actually pretty responsive, especially if you have problems common to small businesses. But heads up, they've started sunsetting some integrations, which is a bit of a red flag. For overall depth and community, Workato takes it. And scalability. Look, if you're running big data through your automations or need something that keeps up with a growing team, Workato absolutely eats. Automate.io, again, it's great for smaller tasks, but gets kind of shaky if you push it too hard. Workato's the obvious choice for anyone thinking big. So, if you look at the big picture and stack both up in every category, you can see they have completely different strengths. One's the enterprise powerhouse, the other is literally built for fast and simple automations. Here's the real talk. If you're running a complex business, need rock-solid security, and have data flying everywhere, Workato is where it's at. For everyone else who just wants to automate some flows, not overthink things, and keep it cheap, Automate.io is honestly more than enough. If this comparison helped you out or saved you a headache picking your next automation tool, make sure you follow to stay updated on all sorts of automation tricks and tools. Catch you next time.